Revising some basic concept present in Google Sheets. A column is a group of cells that run vertically from top to bottom. Now, columns are identified with the help of letters, showing you in the Google Sheets exactly where columns are present. So, are you able to see this A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on? All these things which you are able to see till Z. It can be it can be elaborated further also, or it can be extended further also. So, the alphabets that you are able to see are called as columns. Coming back to the presentation part now, moving ahead. Now, what is a row? A row is a group of cells that run horizontally from left to right. Rows are identified by numbers. So, moving to the Google Sheets, you are able to see number one, number two, number three, number four, and so on. So, these numbers are called as rows. Revising one more time, the alphabets are called as columns and the numbers are called as rows. Now moving ahead with certain concept, the formula bar. The formula bar is used to enter and edit cells, functions and formulas for the selected cell. You are able to see this fx over here. This fx is called as the formula bar. So over here, if I type anything over here, you are able to see the cursor blinking. And when I type anything, that thing will be able to come on the cell that is selected. Now suppose I'm selecting cell C3 and I'm typing with the help of formula bar, I'm typing Ansari. So I will be able to see Ansari in C3. So formula bar is basically used for editing or typing certain formulas. Coming back now, each rectangle is a spreadsheet. Each rectangle in a spreadsheet is called a cell. A cell is where a row and column intersect with each other. One of the most important concept is identification of cell. So over here, as you are able to see, A1. So A is column and 1 is row. So this particular cell which is showing in the presentation is A1 cell which is selected over here now. If I'm clicking over here, I will be selecting A5. If I'm clicking over here, I will be selecting H3. See the column and the row which you select. The color of that particular column and row turns dark gray, indicating that particular cell has been selected whose column is H and whose rows is 3. Over here it is D5. So these were some of the basic concept. Now there is one more concept called as range of the cells. You might be having this particular thing that is range of the cell many times when we are performing practical. Now what is a range of cell? As you are able to see over here, column A and column B are selected and the numbers that are selected are from 1 to 10. So this is a range of cell, that means from A1 to B10 I have selected. How to select the things in a practical part? Coming to the spreadsheet, first selecting A1 and then dragging the mouse cursor down. You are able to see this is A1 to A1 to B10. A1 is the minimum cell and B10 is the maximum cell that have been selected. So the range of the cell is from A1 to B10. So these were some of the basic concept present in Google Sheets.